my name is Sugita Govindasamy. My matric number is 262685.
My name is Agileshwari Arumuga. My matric number is 262939.
My name is Nur Fadila binti Wahid and my matric number is 262462.
Okay, today we are going to present about evaluation of HRM. Okay, evaluation of HRM. First of all, there are many types of approach. The first is functional or classical approach. Okay, it is the oldest approach in management management and traditional thoughts about organizations. Okay, there are basic characteristics in the classical approach, which is divisional of labor, specialization, structure, scalar, functional process, and span of control. Okay, there are three main classical writers, which is Frederick Taylor from 1856 to 1919. The second is Henry Fayol, 1864 to 1920. And the third is Max Weber, 1841 to 1925. Okay, now I'm going to explain about Frederick Taylor's approach. He is known as father of scientific management. In 1909, we can say that the principle of scientific management is created by him. He produced revolutionary ideas for that time, like employee training. It can improve the productivity of the specific industry, and to develop an industry, like he did analysis, observation, and etc. Okay, there are four principles of scientific management in his time lah. Like the first is replacing rule of thumb methods with science. Um, he used the scientific method to study, work, and determine the most efficient way to simply specific tasks. He make more predictable. Okay. The second is scientific selection and training of workers. The third is cooperation of labor and management to accomplish work. The fourth is working for maximum output rather than restricted output. Like he appoint the employees at the area or at the section that they can work. They can put their maximum effort on it. Okay, the last is a more equal division of responsibility between managers and workers. Like the managers are spend their time on planning and training their industry. The workers to perform their tasks efficiently. Okay, the next presenter.
So first of all is Max Weber, start from 1864 to 1920. It is a bureaucratic approach of organization and it aims at high degree of precision, efficiency, objectivity, and rationality in the organization to make it more efficient. Okay, the theory of the futures of bureaucracy structure is a division of work where there are complex work broken down into simple jobs, hierarchy of authority, Rigidity in rules and regulations, impersonality, and also formal selection. Next is Henry Fayol from 1841 to 1925. Henry Fayol is also known as the father of modern management, where he first time studied the function and principles of management in a systematic manner. Henry Fayol is also have his experience worked with French mining engineering, turned chief administrator in a large French mining and metallurgical company. And there are five distinct elements, which is forecasting and planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and also controlling. Next. Henry Fayol is also well known for the 14 principles of management. First is division of work, then authority, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interest to the general interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain order, equity, stability of tenure of personnel, initiative, and esprit de corps. Then to the next presenter.
So I will proceed for behavior approach. Practicing manager discovered that adopting the ideas of the classical approach failed to achieve total efficiency and workplace harmony. Highlight an individual behavior and group process and acknowledge the importance of behavior process at work. Horton's study helped to lend credence to the behavior approach. In Horton's studies, behavior approach has been divided into two branches: human relation approach, behavior science approach. For human relation approach, managers connect to subordinates. Second, management should recognize employees' need for reconnection and social acceptance. And the third one, work in human relation, work group as a positive force which can be used productively. While in behavior science approach, give value to attitudes, behavior and performance of people and group within the organizations. Second, focus on the nature of work and the degrees to which it will satisfy the human need to show skills and expertise. And the third, to get better employee performance, communication, motivation, participative management, leadership, and group dynamic. In open system approach, exchange feedback with its external environment, process outputs, goals, assessment, and evaluation and learning are all important. Healthy open system continuously exchange feedback with their environment, analyze that feedback, adjust internal system as need to achieve the system goals, and then transmit necessary information back out to the environment. So this is the example of input-output model. So from the graph, we can see that input-output, there is environment cycle.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.